So this is GATE Statistics question 2022, question number 23. It says consider the usual inner product in R4 with U in R4 be a unit vector orthogonal to the subspace S equal to x0, x1, x3, x4 in R4 such that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 0. If v equal to 1, minus 2, 1, 1 and the vectors u and v minus alpha u for some alpha in R are orthogonal, then what is the value of alpha square rounded up to two decimal places is equal to what? So you see that all the vectors in S, it's actually perpendicular to 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is our vector u. So you see that for all x in u S, x times u, this is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, and you know this is equal to 0. So u is perpendicular to S. So then what you are given, u minus v times u, not u minus, u times v minus alpha u. These are two orthogonal, so this is equal to 0. So the dot product is equal to 0 means u times v minus alpha times u squared, this is equal to 0. So that means now what is u squared? So this is u, so this is alpha u squared equal to u times v. So what is u squared? This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to u times v means 1, 1, 1, 1 times 1, v is minus 2, 1, 1 minus 2, 1, 1. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 not plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1. That means 4 alpha equal to 1, and that said alpha equal to 1 upon 4, and you are asked to find alpha squared. So that alpha square means 1 upon 16, and if you look at, so this is going to be 0.0625. So this is the answer.